Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Fetsun Abraham. From Eritrea by origin, but naturalized citizen of the United States of America since 1984. I'm now 69 and retired. I have been educated in America. I got master's degrees in information systems from the George Washington University, Washington, D.C., and also master's in electrical engineering from the State University of New York, thanks to the generosity uh, that offered me the opportunity, which is the American people and the government in general. I have served as a former primary patent examiner professionally for 14 years at the U.S. Patent Office, and I have authorized 998 scientific patents through 14 years of experience. I've also taught in different schools in the American school systems. Matter of fact, I'm an author of two books in English and ready to publish two other books in the near future. I really thank Americans for everything they did to me. I appreciate the opportunities they gave me. I also thank the Europeans for giving opportunities to many refugees around the world to excel through education, skills, financially, business wise, health wise, all aspects of their livelihood. I really appreciate and the minimum that we refugees can give in terms of paying back is peacefulness and respecting the law, if not any other thing. Okay, from this aspect, I do believe as a citizen of America, a lawful citizen of America, an elderly citizen of the society, I got to tell Americans what is going on in a language they understand when some conflicts come from the refugees around the world. At this time when a lot of refugees are coming from different homes. In fact, in America, we have a lot of problems, very needy refugees. There is no space for other refugees to mess up other opportunities for everybody. And now, what's going on with this group called Nahamid? Nahamid. The group is called Brigade Nahamid. This is a group organized by the Tigrayan Liberation Front, TPLF, Tigray Popular Liberation Front, that has been defeated, that has messed up its society completely in the Tigray region of northern Ethiopia. They are that group affiliates that are actually suddenly coming as Eritreans, pretenders of Eritreans who do not respect the flag of Eritrea. You cannot see the flag in there. You cannot see the culture in there. But they just are here to revenge for the failure of TPLF in all round politics and economics, socio-political structure of the Tigrayan people at this point so needy. They need food instead of violence, but these people are disrupting the Eritrean communities who have the right to participate, who have the right to party, who have the right to just gather in Europe anywhere they want, peacefully and legally, like any other societies. They just go there and disrupt them. These people do it willingly. The government has nothing to do with that. They have the right to support the government. Me as a person, I have a problem with the government, but not as much. It's just a problem that all Africans have. It's a problem that all the world has. Okay, governments under certain type of dictatorship. There is no exceptional dictatorship in Eritrea. I do believe that, but I still struggle for the rights of the Eritreans. I do struggle for better civil rights in Eritrea. While I appreciate how many other things that they do in terms of agriculture and other things, there is nothing complete. Therefore, as a neutral witness, I testify in this situation as a very responsible human being, citizen of America, educated member of the society, that the group called Brigade Hamadu, that is actually talking about fighting the dictatorship to make democracy through the stones and all that. are only harassing the Eritrean people wherever they go, just because they're jealous, because they have failed. They're trying to construct a government, to make a government that combines part of Ethiopia and Eritrea. They have failed in all that. And then it got nothing to do with the Eritrean people in general. Our people know exactly how to go through life, how to respect law. And we have done this in Europe and in America through different types of meetings and actually festivals. Europe is not new to us, the Eritreans. Since early the struggle for independence, the United States is the same thing. Nothing new. Suddenly, the society cannot change into this kind of adversity, this kind of violence. That's not an Eritrean culture from this political stand, this psychological stand. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel like I'm obliged as a person to tell Americans and the Europeans what is going on, what is going on, so they know exactly what is up to these people, this group of people that we call terrorists by definition. But therefore, I will do some project on this if I'm allowed in the YouTube. I appreciate the YouTube understands this for the safety of the United States of America and for the safety of the Europeans and for the safety of all the refugees around the world. I have personal responsibility to display, to translate what they say. Things that they don't think, Europeans will find out. Things that the United States, Americans actually wouldn't find. Something that goes behind and what the motivations are. And then I appreciate this. I will start this kind of work for awareness. For awareness. To protect the citizens of Europe. To protect the citizens of America from misunderstood concept that has no cause for anybody, for any society in the region of Africa, except disintegrated. It's a satanic force that has actually been doing its things behind behind the name of democracy, behind bringing freedom in Eritrea, behind fighting the dictatorship in Eritrea. It's all against the Eritrean statehood, the Eritrean nationhood, and then peace in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, from now on, please transfer, share my videos, which I will start producing them as long as YouTube allows me to do it. And thank you very much. I'm just letting you know ahead of time. Ahead of time, I thank the YouTube industry for allowing us this kind of medium to educate people the language they understand. Appreciate that. Peace.